Hello friends, it's Kelly. It's been a while. I haven't filmed in over a month. I have been super busy and have a lot of life things going on, and it's the end of the school year, so you know all the reasons. So I am here today to share a project that I created using some Globleland products. They reached out to me probably over a year ago, and they've been sending me products just here and there to try out and use and to do a review on and some tutorials. So I'm here to do that today. So I'm gonna just kind of go through and show you what they sent me this last time, and I will show you one project that I've created with them. So as you can see, this has not been used yet, and it has there. That's not too bad of a glare. So it's just a die set with this really cool gate. Can't wait to use it. This tree branch, some leaves, a cloud with a kind of an arch, like a gate arch. Just a fun little die set. And I will leave a picture that Globleland uses on their website to advertise this, so you can get more of an idea of what it could look like put together. So really fun, and I love Globleland dies. I've never had any issues with them, so I highly recommend them, and the price just cannot be beat. So that is the first one. Let me show you what else I've got. This, which you can't really see with the packaging. I should have done this ahead of time. Let me take it out of this real quick. And I will leave Globleland's marketing photo as well. I will put it up here so you can see how they use it. And yeah, really cute die set with an ocean theme, which I love. And this is what I'm going to use next to create a project with, because I find it super inspiring. And it has a jellyfish and some kelp and a baby jellyfish, maybe, I don't know. But I love the circular frame, and it has like little bubbles and fish and starfish and coral right there. And then there is this other frame. This all came together in one package, so you get quite a bit. It's a big bang for your buck. A shell, a little school of fish, another frame. So it's super fun. I'm going to use this next in an upcoming project. Get those out of the way. And this, sadly, it looks like it sold out. It took them a while to get these to me after I had shown them what I would like to use, and then I ended up getting sick, and then all these other things. So unfortunately, this one I can't find it on the website any longer. It looks like it's out of stock, but it has a little cityscape with lots of adorable little bunnies and balloons, and I love it. And I will be using this one too soon. And then it also came, what I love, it came with the matching dies. So it makes it super easy to cut those out. And this is another one that I cannot find any longer on the website, but it's just a real simple, like stitched floral set. So I'll see what I can find that is similar to this on the website and link it below as well, because they have tons, and they get new stuff in all the time. So if you go check them out, there is a coupon code in the description box, and there's links to all the products that I've used. So go check them out. And this is the one that I have used and created a project with, which I've already stamped these up. So I'll leave also a picture somewhere up here so you can see their marketing photo for it, which is going to be a little clearer because, like I said, I inked these up and it's not as clear as I would like for them to be. Let's put it on the white and see if that helps. So, just a little hedgehog set with a little mushroom house and mushrooms, a little dragonfly. Adorable. Love it. And then this one also came with the die set to make it easier to cut them out. And so without further ado, I'm going to show you the projects that I made with this set here. So I need a little backstory. I've really been into creating Rolodex cards or Memorydex cards, and some of my friends and I have been swapping back and forth, and so I've kind of been on this Memorydex kick, which these are some of the cards that I made with this set. Now, how stinking adorable is that? So the Memorydex is a not a cut file. It is a die set, but it didn't come from Globleland. It came from Amazon. But I did use all of the little hedgehog and mushroom dies. And then this is a stamp set that I had in my collection. And I inked all of this up with, I did color in the stamps with alcohol markers. And then the background and the grass I used Distress Oxide inks for. So isn't that adorable? And I will be sending that to a friend before long. This is another one that I've created using the same little stamp set. This little hedgehog asleep amongst all the mushrooms, and he has been collecting mushrooms through the day, and now he needs a nap apparently, and that's his house over here in the distance. And the stamp sentiment says choose happy, because of course we need to choose to be happy, right? It doesn't just happen on its own usually. And then one more. Isn't that stinking adorable? Just a little happy little hedgehog amongst the flowers. And same, I used a die set from, where did that come from? Dress My Craft. Of the grass is from Dress My Craft. And then Tim Holt's Distress Oxide inks is what I used to color it up. And that is my adorable little project that I made with this stamp and die set. And luckily, this is still available because, or it was when I'm making this video, and you can still purchase this. So I will, like I said, it will be linked in the description box below. So that is about it that I have for my Globleland share, and I will be coming back very soon with a new project. And my plan is, like I said, to use this little aquatic or oceanic die set. But you never know what's going to happen between then and now. I don't make promises anymore because life has been so crazy that I don't like not doing what I say I'm going to do. So yeah, that is it for this share. I thank you so much for watching. And like I said, go check all the description box, or go check the description box below, and you will find links to all of these fun little die sets and stamp sets. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a good day.